Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Forge Motorsport blow-off valve on my 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia. I've been wanting to add a little bit more turbo noise and performance from the car, and this upgrade is perfect for that. So here's what comes with the kit. You get the blow-off valve itself, you get 2 O-rings, you get 3 T25 screws. These are not the posi screws that the instructions say it comes with. They are T25s. And then you get the QR code instructions. The build quality right out of the box feels super solid. Forge is known for their precision machining, and you can really tell from this. Before we dive in, here's a quick little rev test of the stock setup. Listen for the lack of blow-off valve or exhaust flutter. Alright, let's get into it. Now we're going to be removing the engine cover, which is held in place with 2 10mm bolts at the front of the cover. Once you remove those, you can lift the cover from the front and the back, being sure not to rip the clips. And then you'll be able to access the factory diverter valve at the back. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 3 bolts holding it in place. Now install the Forge valve in front of the OE dump valve and make sure everything seats correctly and that you have the 2 O-rings in place on the Forge valve. Next, install the 3 T25 screws that come with the kit and tighten them down. Once these screws are tightened down, you can then reinstall the engine cover and feel free to now enjoy your Forge Motorsport blow-off valve. So overall, the Forge Motorsport blow-off valve install is pretty straightforward. There's just a few bolts, minimal hassle, and the payoff is totally worth it. If you're looking to add some personality to your turbo car, this is a great mod. A big thanks to Forge Motorsport for making such a quality product. I'll have a link to it down below if you want to check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these installs and performance mods on this build. See you next time.